Aggression is a complex behavior that can have various causes and triggers. The brain plays a crucial role in regulating aggression, and research has identified several brain regions and neural circuits that are involved in aggressive behavior. The amygdala is one of the key brain regions associated with aggression. This almond-shaped structure is located deep in the brain's temporal lobe and is involved in processing emotions, including fear and anger. The amygdala receives input from various sensory systems and sends output to other brain regions involved in regulating behavior, such as the prefrontal cortex and the hypothalamus. The prefrontal cortex is another important brain region involved in aggression. This part of the brain, located in the front of the brain, is responsible for executive functions such as decision-making, planning, and impulse control. Dysfunction in the prefrontal cortex can lead to impulsive behavior, including aggressive behavior. The hypothalamus is a small structure located at the base of the brain and plays a critical role in regulating various bodily functions, including the stress response. The hypothalamus also has connections to the amygdala and the prefrontal cortex and can influence aggressive behavior through its regulation of the stress response. Other brain regions that have been implicated in aggressive behavior include the ventromedial prefrontal cortex, the anterior cingulate cortex, and the striatum. Research suggests that aggression is a complex behavior that involves the interplay of multiple brain regions and neural circuits. Dysfunctions in these brain regions and circuits can lead to pathological forms of aggression, such as in some forms of psychiatric disorders. Moreover, several neurotransmitters have been linked to aggressive behavior, including serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that is associated with mood regulation, and low levels of serotonin have been linked to increased aggression. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter involved in reward processing, and its release in response to certain stimuli can increase the likelihood of aggressive behavior. Norepinephrine is a neurotransmitter involved in the stress response and can also increase aggression when released in response to stressful situations. Hormones, such as testosterone, have also been implicated in aggressive behavior. Testosterone is a hormone associated with masculine traits and has been linked to increased aggression in some studies, although the relationship between testosterone and aggression is complex and not fully understood. Studies have also shown that environmental factors, such as early life stress, exposure to violence, and social isolation, can affect brain development and increase the likelihood of aggressive behavior. Understanding the neural mechanisms underlying aggression is important for developing effective interventions and treatments for individuals with pathological forms of aggression. Treatments may include pharmacological interventions, such as medications that affect neurotransmitter systems, or psychological interventions, such as cognitive behavioral therapy, that address underlying cognitive and emotional factors that contribute to aggressive behavior. Thank you for watching. Please click like and subscribe.